No. This cornbread, follow the directions. I've never done this before. All right, there's the box. Probably about, I don't know, half this can, because the instructions I have are kind of vague. So I'm just gonna scoop in like half. Let's see what happens with half. But I'm gonna put in a whole can of green chilies. Gotta love the green chilies. So put this whole can in. Cool. Okay, cup of cheese. So it's a guesstimate. There's the 2 beaten eggs. So we're going to use 1/4 cup. There we go. And I'm just going to mix it up. So it makes the batter. Let's do a little salt and pepper. Just to bring out the flavor. Let it rest for 4 minutes. Alexa, set my timer for 4 minutes. Alexa, timer 4 minutes.
4 minutes, starting now.
Okay. 400. So we are baking at 400. Spray this all good. So the alarm just went off. Now we're gonna check and see how it looks. Hopefully it's done. It looks, my glasses get steamy. Let's just say it smells wonderful. It looks good. Let's take the toothpick test. I think it's done. All right. So let's take a peek at it. Let's see. We'll let it sit for a little bit. And then we'll test it and check it out. So I took it out of the oven, but I kind of made a mistake. I tasted quite a bit of it before I started filming again. And I thought, oh gosh, I have to film that because it turned out so good. Okay, you can see how beautiful it looks. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Take a little piece. And it cooked so perfectly. This is the bottom of it. And you can see that it is gorgeous. And then I put a little butter on it. And then you take a bite. Wait, watch. It's so moist. It is so good. Oh my God. I probably shouldn't have made this because I'm probably going to eat that whole tin tonight. Oh, anyway, Mexican cornbread. And I cooked it for 20 minutes at 400. And that's what you get. It is so tender. You know, cornbread is mostly dry, but this is not dry. It's just perfect. It's just perfect. So hopefully you get a chance to make it and put comments down below what you think of it. It's too bad I can't give you a taste because it's worth it. Talk to you guys later. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Talk to you then. You guys are awesome. Bye.